Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shaheens are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion. Match going to the super over. Bangladesh matching them ball to ball, wicket to wicket. And in the end, the super over belongs to Pakistan. Great game, great advert for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the Asia Cup Rising Stars. We had everything, drama, super over, and then Shaheens go on to clinch their 3rd title of the competition.
5th final in 7 years for the Shaheens, and heartbreak for Bangladesh. It's their 2nd time reaching the final. Unfortunately, they have lost both the times, but lot to like about Bangladesh effort with the ball in the field. Captain Akbar Ali, some of the youngsters have risen to the occasion. Certainly Bangladesh cricket is in safe hands when it comes to their A side with plenty of good talent, Maza.
Yeah, they should keep their head high. The never give up mentality was something remarkable from the Bangladesh A side. But what about Shaheens, led by this man? They have done outstandingly well, unbeaten throughout the tournament. But Bangladesh, on the other hand, they should keep their head high.
It was all about the rising stars, and we've seen them. Rakibul, Habibur, wonderful additions to the Bangladesh cricket, along with Ripon. Mehrob did his part. Ripon was brilliant all the time under pressure, and from the Pakistan side, Ahmed Danial being brilliant, picking up 4 wickets today, 2 earlier and 2 in the super over. He was outstanding, along with the spinners. Sufyan Mukim bowling a great spell, picking up 3 wickets, drying up the runs, and well supported by Arafat Minhas picking up a couple of wickets, and so did Saad Masood picking up 1 wicket. The spinners were in charge, and at the end, it was all Ahmed Danial.
Just like Bangladesh, Pakistan shine too. Plenty of good talent going forward, and certainly these players in time to come or years to come will be the ones turning out for their country. The entire tournament was played in great spirits, and even the final was done and played with great spirits. Heartbreaker for Bangladesh. That man on screen, watch out for him. Maaz Sadakat, just 20 plus years old, opens the batting, bowls good spin, very good in the field. That talent is very impressive. Just like Saad Masood, Ahmed Danial, lot to like about.
Absolutely, very rightly put. Maaz Sadakat has a great future ahead of him with the bat, with the ball, also in the field. He's a live wire, and he was dismissed first time in the tournament at the semi-finals.